everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is Shahal Sahal, and hereby I would like to discuss a topic that is from class 9 and 10 book. Of course, not for new batch, it is for the candidate of 2025, and it is from the physics book, uh, chapter number 7, Wave and Sound and Wave. Now you are noticing a question which is written on whiteboard, and now I'm going to read it out. A wave formed in water is 8.75. It is 8.75 centimeter long if the speed of sound in air and water is respectively 322 milliseconds per second and 14,525 milliseconds per second. Then determine the length of sound wave in air and frequency of the sound. This is the question. If you want to solve or sort it out in the meantime, then you will need the core formula of this chapter and of this topic. Now I'm going to write it. B equal to F lambda. This is the core formula of this chapter. You will have to be introduced with this formula if you want to short it out or any kinds of or just to mitigate any kinds of question from this chapter. You need it. Otherwise, it will be very complex theory. It will be very complex theory for you to sort it out or solve. B equal to F lambda. This is the question. This is the formula that I have to use. Now I have to make an equation. Make an equation. We have two medium in the question. First one is sound in air and water. There are two medium. Number one is air. Number two is water. We'll have to make two equations. Number one, for air medium, I can write BA equal to F lambda A. Do you have a question in mind that I have introduced VA lambda A, but I didn't write FA? Why? What the problem behind it? Yes, there's significances just when F will be stable, will be stable, or equal or same for both media when the frequency of sound wavelength will be stable, equal, same for both media, then you need not to show it, you need not to write it like FA. Okay? For water medium, BW equal to F lambda W. These are the equations. Now we'll have to convert it. F equal to BA by lambda A or F equal to BW by lambda. Now we'll have to reassemble. We'll have to assemble, or we'll have to make it together. From these equations, we can say BA by lambda equal to F, BW by lambda W equal to F. Both have the same value, so we can write this equal to that. So according to the question, we can write according to the question. According to the question, we can write BA by lambda A equal to VW by lambda W. Now I need the value of it, lambda A, because we have the question paper. Determine the length of sound wave in air. After that, we will find out the value of frequency of sound. Okay? Now we'll have to interchange the fraction. So we'll have to make it. We will You are interesting that according to the question we can write it. Now we'll have to interchange the fraction, I mean numerator and denominator. Numerator, its denominator, we'll have to make it and convert it numerator. Now make it numerator lambda a by ba equal to lambda w by vw. If you want one side of the fraction or equation, then other side will be automatically interchanged. Okay, I need the value of lambda a. Lambda a equal to lambda w by vw into, here ba is in the position of division. After replacing its place, then it will be turned into multiplication, ba. Now I'm gonna just put the magnitude of all values which are in the question paper. Number one, the wavelength of sound in water is lambda a equal to 8.75 centimeter. Now we'll have to convert it into meter. 8.75 by 100. If you divide the centimeter unit by 100, then you will get the meter. I mean, you will get a big one. It's not a big deal. Now, the speed of sound in air, Ba is equal to 322 meters per second inverse 1. The speed of sound in water, Bw equal to 14,525 meters per second inverse 1. The wavelength of sound in water, in air, lambda equal to what? And frequency f equal to what? This is our criteria. So now put the all magnitudes in the equation, then you will get a value. Lambda w equal to, here you will get 0.875. 0.875. 0.0875 meter. Now put these magnitudes, lambda w 0.0875, Bw means the speed of sound in water, 14,525 into 322. After calculation, you will get the magnitude is 0.02 meter. This is the first query's answer. Now let me find out the value of f. B equal to, we know b equal to f lambda. Now we need the value of f, so v by lambda. Now what is the magnitude of v? Obviously you can utilize VA, so we will get a track 322, and what is the value of lambda? 0.02, 0.02, then you will get 16,600 hertz. This is the answer. I think that all of you get this answer very quickly and with good understanding. Thank you.